Hi, this is Travis from POS-Guys.com. Today we're going to go over wall mounting the TP6. This is using a VESA mount, so either wall or pole mounting. If you have a VESA mount, then you can mount the TP6, but it's a little different than the older TP4 or maybe like a touchscreen monitor or just a general monitor. It's a little different. So here's a VESA bracket. It's a standard VESA bracket. It goes on this pole display. It's just kind of an older swivel mount that we had. So most monitors, if you want to do a VESA mounting, you're going to remove the base. This base is removable as well. And you'll see screws for VESA mounting. This actually isn't how you want to mount it. So if you are thinking that this is going to be the best way you do it, you just take off the base and mount these, you need to be very careful because there's not a back plate to these screws. So if you have a really long screw and you screw into it, you can actually drill into the electronics of the touch computer and break it. So be very careful if you're going to do that. In fact, you really should just use these screws. There is another way to wall mount it though, or VESA mount it, and that's using the base. There's screws in the base, so we'll show you how you do that. You can, depending on your setup, whether it's easier to mount the base first or mount the monitor first, you can just go ahead and leave the base off, take your plate, and then screw it down into the mounting brackets. Take these screws, screw them in. And once your bracket is attached to the base, you can then reattach it to the all-in-one. And then connect it to your bracket, like so. And then you actually have a little extra tilting function on it too, because the base itself can tilt. So if you want it to sit flat, then that's about as flush as you can do it. And then you can pull it out using the base and the tilt. If you're going to angle it down, angle it up, depending on how strong your mount is, that may or may not work. But in general, that is the safer way for mounting the TP6 to a wall mount VESA mount or a pole mount VESA mount. So go with the base rather than screwing directly into the back of the monitor. For more information on the TP6 or to purchase, please visit us at POSGuys.com. Thanks.